Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. Namaskar, Namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I am SHYAMASREE. So today I am here with another Get Ready With Me. I will be going to a barbecue party. So let's get started. Hi, so I'm done with my moisturizer and everything and sunscreen because I will be going out, so yeah, it's must. I have already applied primer, the Miss Claire one, and excuse all the marks on my face. I was badly attacked by the acne and stuff, so let's start. So let's start with applying foundation, and I'm using a MAC Face and Body foundation and MILANI. I will be mixing two of these, and for some reason I forgot to show that on camera, so sorry for that. Now I will be dotting my foundation on my face and will be blending it with a buffing brush. By the way, all the description all the products will be listed in the description box. Kindly check it. Now I will be showing you a small trick, that is, if you don't have a concealer which helps in hiding small marks on your face or dark circles which are very less. So what you can do is you can use your foundation which has got little bit of coverage and use it as a concealer, just the way I did it here, and you can see the marks are no more visible. Now I will be using the Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, which is lighter shade than my skin tone. Just for highlighting purpose, I'm just highlighting little bit so that it doesn't get too much dark under my eyes here, and then blending it properly again. Now I will be setting my whole face with loose powder, and I am using a LAKME rose powder. So it is very important in the summer that you set your face with powder. Don't apply too much, but then don't apply too less, then it will not stay. So now I'm coming to my eyebrows, and I'm using will be using this NYX pencil, eyebrow pencil. And on one end it is a pencil, on another end it's a spoolie. So first brush up your eyebrows, and then with light hand just fill up the sparse areas, just the way I am doing it here, and then again blend it with the spoolie. After this, what I like to do is clean the edges of the eyebrows. That really makes difference, and I love it, and it looks very tidy. So I will be taking the concealer and cleaning my edges of the brows. It really makes difference. Try it out, guys. Now I will be doing contouring, but very less, just to create that dimension. I am doing this contouring because I have used foundation, so everything was looking pretty flat, that's why. So yes, and now I will be applying blush to bring back the color on my face, and I'm using a cream blush since it's daytime, so I'm using cream blush and tapping that on my cheeks. And now I will be using a fair set highlighter, little bit highlighter. I wanted to keep it subtle as well since it's daytime. So here I'm also contouring my nose, that too very less, in not too harsh. And now I will be just doing my crease, just coloring my crease little bit with the bronzer itself, so that it gets a dimension on the eyes. And then I'll directly go to the blue pencil eyeliner from, again, NYX. It's a very pretty color, and on top of that you will see that I will be using a black eyeliner just to highlight. Then I will be curling my lashes with my lash curler, and then we'll put mascara. I'm using Maybelline Colossal mascara, and that's it for eyes. And also I will be using very little amount of kajal on my lower lash line, just half. Now another important step, that is setting your face with setting spray. You shouldn't forget this in summer. And then I am lining my lips with NYX lip liner. On top of that, today I will be using two new lipsticks, liquid lipsticks from a brand called Incredible. So I will show you that on camera. Yeah, these are the two things. One is like brown and another one is pink, muted pink. It's like nude and then pink. Yeah, it's a beautiful color itself. It is beautiful, but I didn't want to wear pink. Little bit I wanted to mix these two colors, and I am done, and the color came out so pretty. So you can try this look out. This just took me approximately 20 minutes, so try it out and let me know. So I'm all ready. I just changed my top, so I'm wearing my shorts. So basically that's all. So bye, we'll see you next Tuesday with another tutorial. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life: live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh, make others laugh. And please just like, and also subscribe. I need to catch my trick. Bye and take care.